Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The English Sailor, the ultimate channel to leverage and beef up your vocabulary skills. And in today's video, we are going to add 5 more new words into our vocabulary list. So let us get started. So here it comes, the first word of the day, polemic. A polemic is something that stirs up controversy by having a negative opinion, usually aimed at a particular group. Of course, the modern day politicians, they just resort to these polemic tendencies to gain the votes of one particular community or group. Yet, such is the very situation of some of our modern polemics. Characteristically, it is a polemic and not a constructive essay. So, a polemic is something that stirs up controversy by having a negative opinion, usually aimed at a particular group. And next comes the word egregious. So, something egregious is outrageously bad. It was the most egregiously false assumption in the history of warfare. So his transgressions become more egregious over time and he needs to be held to account. The most egregious part was that it took so long to acknowledge what was happening, he said. Something that is egregious is outrageously bad, which cannot be avoided. And next comes the word admonish. Of course, we have been admonished by our parents whenever we just secured low grades in our examinations. So, to admonish is to scold. If you want to show someone you're not happy with his behavior, just admonish him. He admonished the child for his bad behavior. She declined to say whom he was admonishing. The commissioner was not made available for an interview. To admonish means to scold. Next comes the word verboten. So something verboten is forbidden. It isn't allowed or permitted. Language that is medical in nature is verboten. For instance, calling autism an impairment. As an impact of COVID-19, things that were once considered polite, handshakes, holding the door, helping a neighbor with their arms full, are now verboten. Verboten in the sense forbidden. So something verboten is forbidden, means it isn't allowed or permitted. Now comes the last word of the day, impetuous. So someone impetuous acts too hastily or carelessly. Lovely speaks in a joyous, impetuous voice that's irresistible, so full of hope and willpower. Looking back on this scene, Serena sees an impetuous jerk, but she also sees greatness. The explanation was impetuous, but her quick mind adapted itself. Impetuous means impulsive, or someone impetuous acts too hastily or carelessly. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. In case if you do like my content, please do subscribe and write your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching once again. Have a great day.